Here's an update for my installation of a water-powered sump pump. My first problem I had to tackle was that all this piping, well, this is 3/4 from the street, pressure reducing valve, my meter, but from here on was all 1/2-inch piping because my whole house is 1/2-inch piping. So per the manual I need to be 3/4. So talking to the water company, I was able to get these fittings here, which was like 5/8, so kind of close I guess, but this goes me to 3/4. Now I got 3/4-inch piping here. I gave myself my main shutoff valve. I gave myself a point of drain with a hose connection here, so if I need any water in the basement. Then I come up, give myself a handy pressure valve, monitor my pressure in the house. 3/4 inch coming up. This is where I transition back to my 1/2-inch house water piping, and this 3/4-inch connection is where I go off for my sump pump, because I need 3/4 to go to my sump pump. So I got this going up. I have a main valve here just saying don't open that, and I go all the way back this way. I do these little supports to offset because of the way the house is built. I come down this way, come down this way. It's a little dark. I transition here, and I'm running all the way down there. This way, going this way, going this way, going this way. And I stop right here. And this is where I'm going to make my 90 down. And I'm going to come right into towards my sump, and then I'll figure all this business out. This is my design for the final connection to the sump pump. So here's that pipe up here in the rafters. I got my 90T. I'll come down with a short section. It's maybe something like, I don't know, 58 inches or something like that. 3/4-inch valve, a little piece of copper, a sweat to thread connection to go for a backflow preventer, 3/4-inch backflow preventer. Then another, whatever I have to transition out from the threads back to copper, short piece of copper. Then I'm going to do a 3/4-inch sweat to 1-inch PEX. For that is because the PEX internal diameter for a 1-inch is the same size as a 3/4-inch, or more or less, and I want to keep the flow up. So I'm going to go to a 3/4-inch to 1-inch PEX just to give me that flexibility to make that turn in. I'm going to go back to copper, give myself a T with a shock absorber business there, threaded so I can change that out if it ever gets messed up. And then I'm going to go right into the shark bite fitting that's on the sump pump.